Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn 4 common English idioms, which are expressions frequently used in everyday conversations. Understanding these idioms will help you sound more natural and fluent in English. The idioms we'll cover today are break the ice, which means to start a conversation in a social setting and make people feel more comfortable. Hit the nail on the head, which means to describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. Burn the midnight oil, which means to work late into the night, often to finish a task or meet a deadline. And the ball is in your court, which means it's your turn to take action or make a decision. Now that you know what these idioms mean, let's see how they can be used in a real-life situation. Here's a short speech that includes all 4 idioms. Pay attention to how they're used naturally in context. Ladies and gentlemen, let me break the ice by saying how honored I am to speak before you today. We've faced many challenges, but we've finally hit the nail on the head. We know what needs to be done. Now it's time to act. I know many of you have burned the midnight oil to get us this far, and your dedication does not go unnoticed. Now, the ball is in our court. Let's take the next step and make this project a success. Thank you. So there you have it. We've learned 4 idioms, and now you've seen how they can be used in a real-life context. This is how you can incorporate idioms into your own conversations, speeches, or writing to sound more natural and expressive in English.